Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Igna and you can call me Miss Igna. I will be delighted to be a part of your journey in mastering English. I've been an experienced English teacher for more than 8 years. My journey began with working as an English teacher and curriculum developer for more than 8 years in Pesantren Alam Pangrango. Throughout my career, I've had the privilege of guiding numerous students towards achieving their English language goals, including academic success and professional advancement. I graduated from Mosal College Jakarta Interior Design Program in 2017. At the same year, I took my IELTS as I prepared my studies abroad in Malaysia. I currently undertake a bachelor degree again in English education in Tempat University. My approach to teaching is grounded in student-centered approach and focus on communicative skills. I believe in creating a supportive and encouraging learning environment for my students where they can feel comfortable to make mistakes, explore, and grow. I'm particularly passionate about helping my students prepare for the IELTS exam, especially for those who are looking for immigration opportunities or preparing for studies abroad. If you're looking for a dedicated and experienced IELTS teacher, then I invite you to look into my services further. I can offer you one-on-one tutoring, group classes, or constructive feedback sessions. I'm committed to provide high-quality instruction and personalized support to help you succeed in your English language journey. Thank you for watching. Please visit Englishvit to learn more about my services and to schedule a class. I'm looking forward to the opportunity to see you in my class. See you!